Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from REVEL Monogram, and this is from Battlestar Galactica, the Cylon Raider. So here on the front of the box art, we can see here an example illustration of the model, as well as surrounded by other background items as well. Now the kit only contains parts for one model, this being this portion of the illustration and the rest being just background items. We also see here skill level 2, and again, Revel monogram. If we take a look at the sides of the box, we can see here this is more of a photo of the model as opposed to an illustration of it. This is possibly retouched, but we can see here a different kind of background as well with the Universal logo. We have serial number 85-3616. This flap of the box is similar. If we look on this side here, we can see here some features, a little bit of a description, as well as you'll require model cement sold separately, as well as paints sold separately. See here a little bit more information here. This is from 1997, sometime after the original Battlestar Galactica movie and TV series. And this is also has a barcode there. If we continue on the other side, we can see here additional photos, including other models in the series of varying scales. Here we can see here a little bit on the skill level system, as well as some contact information at the time. And again, this is from 1997. Plain cardboard bottom, as you can see there, a little bit of indentation number system there. And let's go ahead and open this up. Now, this model has been started, but we can see here the instruction booklet, contact information at the time, and the instruction illustrations with numbered parts and the parts names, as well as some paint instructions as well to help during the assembly process until you get to final assembly and possible mounting out of a display base, and finally decal placement, as you can see there. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how far we got with this model. Here we can see here some of the painting was already done, some of the assembly. Looks like both parts of the main hull are right here, and you can see here how some of the internals have already been mounted. There is no actual interior to this, but you kind of already see the kind of saucer-like shape, kind of oval-like. We also have some other parts taken off the tree and then bagged separately. See, here's still some remaining parts to be taken off, as well as you can see here the display base. Additional parts here. This actually looks like one of the cockpit cowlings. So this portion right here in partial paint status. Looks like some sort of part to match that kind of beam emitter. Let's see what else we got. Put this back and we'll take a look at the decals quickly. As you can see there, 1997. So, taking a very quick look at the Cylon Raider from Battlestar Galactica. And this is from REVEL Monogram. This has been another unboxing or show and tell type of video. Feel free to check out others on the channel. We also do a series of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.